Hey everybody, this is Gary, and I thought I would take you on a little adventure with me as we go to the grocery store. It's a beautiful, wonderful, marvelous day. Life, oh life. I mean, just look. So gross outside. So yeah, I'm just about to enter the grocery store, and I thought I'd take you guys with me. Just about to enter. What to get? Maybe some potatoes. $4.97 for 10 pounds. Potatoes. Oh, I want to get fruit. Definitely getting some peaches. I freaking love peaches. Oh, I'm gonna get some rye bread too. $3.89. Some ham too. Got some ham to go with my rye bread. Ham and rye is delicious. So far, I'm not doing pretty bad on the health thing. It's got some pretty healthy stuff in there. Get some chicken drumsticks. Got some paper towels and toilet paper, because Lord knows I need them. Alright, the drink aisle. I want to get some apple juice. Nah. Okay, so I got 2 bags of chips, salt and vinegar, and sour cream and onion. So I think I'm pretty much done. Didn't really get as much junk food as I thought I was going to. And now we wait a cash. Hi, good, how are you? Good. Need any bags today? No, I'm good. I got my cart. He's pretty good. We even named him Carter. Yeah. I have paid and I am ready to go. Back in the crappy weather we go. I think I'm gonna stop at the corner store and treat myself to some scratch tickets. I don't really buy them too often because it's a big waste of money. I don't even know why I'm going to buy stuff. But if I'm having a lazy night, I want to chance to win some money. This weather is so gross. Alright, here we go. Hello? I have the whole store to myself. There's nobody here. Nobody. Hello? Hi. There you go. Alrighty, now let's go home. So awkward with the cart. Well, that was an interesting thing in the store. That's probably the loudest I've ever talked in a store. It's actually kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Such a gloomy day. So now I'm just headed home, and I'll probably put my groceries away and do nothing at all. Put my pajamas on, turn on Netflix. I moved the TV from the living room into the bedroom last night so I can lie down and watch Netflix at the same time. Bye. So I am almost home. So many cars are going by, I don't even know if you can hear me. I bought some scratch tickets. Wait, you were there. Oh my god, I freaking love Carter. Honestly, biggest lifesaver ever. I don't know how we lived without Carter before, honestly. So I'm just at my front door now. I'm home. Let's tease the dogs. Hi guys. Anyway, so just getting home now, and I'm gonna put my groceries away and start my lazy night. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did on this grocery store adventure. And come back, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, guys, everybody. Mwah!